In today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to clean and descale your Keurig with confidence. The supplies you'll need is some dish soap, a cleaning toothbrush, 2 microfiber cloths, your descaling agent, a large ceramic mug, and access to a sink. To start the cleaning process, disassemble the machine by removing the reservoir and lid, the drip tray, most are in 2 pieces, and the K-cup holder. You also want to remove the filter from the reservoir and set it to the side. Now soak these items in hot soapy water while we clean the exterior of the machine. Grab a damp microfiber cloth and give the machine a good wipe down, cleaning away any grease and sticky gunk. Use a cleaning toothbrush to scrub any hard to reach areas and then buff dry with a separate dry microfiber cloth. Now hand wash all your removable parts, rinse, dry, and reassemble the Keurig. To clean out the brew lines from any mineral buildup, you need to descale your machine. To start the descaling process, make sure your water filter is still removed from your reservoir. Fill up the reservoir halfway with regular distilled white vinegar and run a cleansing brew cycle using the largest cup size. After it's finished, pour it out in the sink and repeat this process until the reservoir has been completely depleted of the vinegar. Then let the machine sit for 30 minutes while the power is still on. You can also descale the machine using the Keurig descaling solution that they sell, but this stuff is way cheaper, distilled white vinegar, and you're gonna get the exact same results. After your 30 minutes is over, now it's time to rinse out the machine. Rinse out the reservoir in the sink to remove any leftover vinegar. Fill it back up to the max line with fresh water and brew the water, rinsing out the lines. And once again, you want to do that until the reservoir has been completely depleted. Feel free to run an extra reservoir of water if you feel so inclined to do so. You should descale your machine every 3 to 6 months to keep it operating in tip-top condition because no one wants a bitter brew.